Double Olympic champions Shelley and Fraser Price returned to the track with an 11.52 second clocking to win her heat and the second overall at the J3's All-Comers meet on Saturday at the National Stadium. Fraser Price, who is competing after the August birth of her first child, finished ahead of Ashley Williams of GC Foster College 11.98 and Tiffany Higgins of Cameron Blazers 12.17. Sharika Jackson finished the overall winner, however, after she stopped the clock in 11.31 and Sharika Hemmings third in 11.88 seconds. MVP's Taekwondo Tracy took the men's event in 10.29, the same time as Racers Track Club's Javon Mincy, while Sprintex Shadik Hines was third in 10.36. Stephanie Ann McPherson won the women's 200 meters in 23.02, with Genevieve Russell 23.43 and Sharon Simpson 23.46 finishing second and third. The men's 200 meters went to Javon Francis in 20.69, with another quarter miler Demish Gay taking second in 20.79 and Kenroy Anderson third in 21.11. Meanwhile, the women's one-lap event was won by Rochelle Clayton of Swept Track Club in 53.60 seconds. Janelle Bromfield of UTEC was second in 53.61 and her teammate Darian Hill third in 54.12 seconds. In the field now, national record holder Dane Richards posted 20.62 meters to win the men's shot put ahead of Frederick Dakers 20.43, just shy of his personal best of 20.46. Dakers did, however, win the men's discus with a 66.53 meter throw.